Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted account. On the application of Chase Mobile, you will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Chase Mobile and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store, you will search about Chase app, then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.